Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking all about AI search, and things are really heating up in the AI search space. Last week, ChatGPT Search launched, offering a new way to get real-time information. But what's the difference between regular ChatGPT and ChatGPT Search? Well, regular ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff. This means that it can't access real-time information. So all the responses you're getting from regular ChatGPT data are from data that's been trained on previously. But ChatGPT Search pulls live data from the web, giving you up to date responses. Now, ChatGPT Search is in direct competition with Google's Gemini and Perplexity. Personally, I've been using Perplexity quite a bit. It's a really great tool. So we'll see if ChatGPT Search can outdo Perplexity. Also, keep in mind that Perplexity and Gemini are free, while ChatGPT Search requires a Plus license. All right, let's take a look at how you can start using ChatGPT Search and how it works. Ready? Let's do it. So this is the ChatGPT Search interface, as you know. And right here, if we hover, we can see that there's a new Search the Web icon. And if we click on this, we first see that there are some relevant topics that are happening right now. But when we clicked on this, what this actually did was transform the regular ChatGPT into ChatGPT Search. So let's see exactly how this new search works. And originally, I was going to walk you through this article here at the top to actually show you what ChatGPT Search does, but I thought let's actually ask ChatGPT Search what it does. If it does have access to real time information, it should be able to tell us. And as you can see, it came back with a response referencing real time articles from The Verge, the Wall Street Journal, and the New York Post. And as you can see, it says here that it allows ChatGPT to provide up to date information on topics such as sports, scores, stock prices, news, and the weather. So let's actually see how ChatGPT Search works in this. Let's first ask. So I've asked it how the weather in Seattle will be like next week. And cool. I know, of course, I could get this from my weather app, but it is cool to see that it's able to reference real time information and put it in a user friendly way. So definitely next week is going to be pretty chilly. I better be careful outside. Now, it also said that we can access real time information like stocks. So let's say I really want to see a graph, so I asked it to show me a graph. It's all right. I was expecting more of a stock chart, but it seems like the stock closed at 135.4 on November 1st, down from 141. All right. So let's check out sports. Of course, if you know me, I love basketball, and I'm going to ask you about the NBA. So cool. We can actually see here that the Charlotte Hornets are playing the Boston Celtics, and the Celtics are leading. So, and then finally, let's also try asking it some real time information that leverages maps. And this is cool. So it's given me a map to actually pinpoint some of these restaurants. And I can click into the map and see some details about those restaurants. All right, so ChatGPT Search is pretty cool. It, like I mentioned, pulls in relevant information from the web and gives the information here. I do want to see how it compares to Perplexity. So the next thing I'm going to do is to split my screen and show how these two different chatbots or AI search engines compare. Let's do it. All right, so let's now compare ChatGPT Search's response to Perplexity's response. We have ChatGPT Search on the left and Perplexity on the right. We're going to prompt them the same thing. Give me a full rundown of the latest news in the AI world. I'll try to click both of these at the same time, and they're off to the races. So, seems like OpenAI is a bit faster in coming up with responses. This is because probably I was doing a pro search in Perplexity. And let's start with looking at ChatGPT Search's responses. So, talks about AI and the big tech earnings, talks about Alphabet, Microsoft, Apple. talks about Search GPT, so it talks about itself, custom AI chips, AI media and politics, and autonomous vehicles. It's pretty detailed. And for each of these paragraphs, you can see here that there's specific articles that are referenced. And if you were to click on these, you would actually go to that specific article. So if you're writing something where you had to give citation, this would be very useful. And if you click here, you can see all the different sources that were used. Now let's take a look at Perplexity. And for Perplexity on the top, you start with the sources. It shows that it was updated 7 hours ago. And you can see here as well all the different sources that were used. And let's just look at the response. It talks about Apple's AI push, NVIDIA's dominance, Microsoft and agents, Google's expanding AI ecosystem, and a lot more information as well here. So I don't see anything that says one's better than the other, if I'm being honest. I've used a lot of Perplexity and it's a great tool, but I think I'll keep trying out ChatGPT Search, and after I use it some more, I'll see which one I prefer. But just from the gate, there's nothing that really says one's better than the other. But a few things that I do think make Perplexity a lot nicer or nice would be these related prompts. So you can click on some of these prompts just to continue the conversation. That would be something that I would be looking for ChatGPT Search to do. Just give me some more prompts to continue the conversation. So let's just click one, and Perplexity goes again and starts querying all these articles online to give you a response. So that's about it. The AI search game is really heating up. I've also heard rumors that Meta may be coming out with their own AI search. So we'll see. We'll see who has the last laugh. But that's it for this one. I just encourage you to try out these tools. Try out ChatGPT Search if you have access. Try out Perplexity. Try out Google's Gemini. Try out all these other AI search tools out there that you can use in your everyday life. All right, that's it. Peace.